Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I'll be reviewing the Amico 3-headed security LED light. Alright, so this is a LED based light. And of course what's cool about this is that of course it has 3 heads, meaning it can have omnidirectional lighting, and it covers a very wide range. It's motion sensing. And of course this one is not solar, it uses a connection, so it'll have to be connected to your power grid on your house for it to give power or light. Now of course it's a very bright one, and of course you can see here they come in black, brown, white. I like black as it blends well. And of course you can see this has the new flat design, and of course I like this one. Now you can check out the box. It comes in this regular cardboard looking box. Specification, it's 40 watts. Input voltage, you take 120 AC at 60 Hertz. Some more information here you can see for yourself, and it gives 500k light. And of course I like this in that it's super bright, and of course you get that clear white lights made in China. It says up here LED security lights. You can see the security floodlights again, and just the same on the specifications. So I'm going to open this up. I have not opened this up as yet, so this will be the first time seeing it. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I removed it from the box, and of course you have the typical installation stuff. So of course this is the mounting bracket. It will fit a standard outlet for say for a bulb that will place on the wall. This mounting bracket allows you to mount properly, and of course it comes with these cool caps that allows you to tie off on the connection that you have made. And of course we have the mounting, what I think is a template, and of course next to that we have the instruction manual here. Motion security, it says user manual, and it will run you through the configuration, shows you how to configure the entire thing, and of course it shows you about the range and teaches you a lot about how it functions. So as you can see guys, here's all the details here, which is very nice. I like that. It comes with all of your details, and you'll have everything that you need to install should you need to, or you can just get a professional to do this. Check out the unit itself, and it has a very big main unit. There's the motion detector. Around here we have the complementary side lights. There's one here, and there's another over here. And of course this is very nice. The heads are movable, meaning that you can adjust them. So if you wanted to, once you tighten the unit here, you can actually adjust this according to how you need it. And of course very good design. Let's look at the base. Now of course it has a round base, and this would fit on a standard socket. You can see the insertion here. It has a seal, waterproof. You can see the information and quality control there, and of course it's has some weight to it. So overall this is very nice. I must say I like the weight and the construction. The unit is very big, so I expect it to produce a lot of light, and of course it comes with great documentation that you can read and learn to install. And of course it comes with the standard setup. Once you know about the wiring, or if you've ever done any wiring, I would recommend that you do get a professional to do this for you in case you're not, and you do create the mounting brackets. And this is all that you get with this unit. I like it so far. I've had a similar one before. I don't think it's maybe the same company, and that one is working quite fine. That one was solar, however. I have a review on that one on the channel here. So far these are great to have around your house, to see when there's movement, and of course you can easily know that something is taking place, especially when they do come on. Alright, so I'm in the tutorial here. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.